Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering documents so the application proceeds without interruption. Log into Yono SBI using your MPIN or username and password and locate credit card under Services. Select Apply and choose a card variant based on rewards, fees, and interest rate. This matters because card features affect annual cost. Once done, enter your account or CIF number and PAN. The app pre-fills known data to speed the process. Make sure photos of documents are clear. You now proceed to the detailed form. Fill income and employment fields accurately because SBI validates these against bank records and credit history. Upload PAN, Aadhaar, a passport-style photo, and your latest 3-month bank statement. Poor scans delay approval. Choose e-sign with Aadhaar OTP for fastest processing or request branch verification if you prefer. Once done, review the summary carefully and submit. After submission, you receive an application reference number to track status. Note it down. You finish by monitoring the Yono dashboard and confirming dispatch. Once the card arrives, activate it in the app or via ATM and set your PIN securely. Make sure to register for mobile alerts and link billers for automated payments, because that prevents missed payments and fees. If approval is delayed, verify KYC completion and document clarity, then contact SBI Helpline with your reference ID. A common fix is re-uploading a clearer document or completing Aadhaar eKYC to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.